Hi boys and girls, today we're going to start learning about map skills in social studies. The first thing we're going to talk about is cardinal directions. Cardinal directions are north, south, east, and west. A compass rose is a tool that we use to show us the directions. This is what a compass rose looks like. You will notice it has an N for north, an S for south, an E for east, and a W for west. One thing that you can use to remember where all the directional words go on your compass is never eat soggy waffles. Now, I noticed you on the compass rose that you only saw letters. You didn't see the words written out. Those are called abbreviations. If you see an N, it stands for north, an S stands for south, an E stands for east, and a W stands for west. Let's take a minute and watch our cardinal directions song.
North, south, east or west, which direction do you like the best? North, south, east or west, which direction do you like the best?
It's going north.
North.
It's going south.
South.
It's going north and south and east.
East.
It's going north.
North.
It's going south.
South.
It's going north and south and west.
West. North, south, east or west, which direction do you like the best? North, south, east or west, which direction do you like the best?
Four cardinal directions that I know. North, south, east, and west we go. Or mix them all up, then go fast, not slow, to the sunshine or the snow. I like south. She likes north.
And they're loving west and east.
She likes east. And he likes south.
And their favorites north and west.
North, south, east or west, which direction do you like the best? North, south, east or west, which direction do you like the best?
It's going north.
North.
It's going south.
South.
It's going north and south and east.
East.
It's going north.
North.
It's going south.
South.
It's going north and south and west.
West, north, south, east or west, which direction do you like the best? North, south, east or west, which direction do you like the
Look at a
best?
map and try this. Point north. Point south. Point west. Point east. First letters of west and east spell the word wheat. Now try again. Point west. Point south. Point east. Point north. Point west.
That was fast.
Point south. Point south again. Point west and north and east. Great job.
North, south, east or west, which direction do you like the best? North, south, east or west, which direction do you like the best?
We also have intermediate directions on the compass rose. Our intermediate directions are northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. Notice the directions north or south come first, and then we're just attaching each east and west to each north and south direction. Let's take a look at a compass rose with the intermediate directions. This is a compass rose with the cardinal and intermediate directions. We have our cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west. Then we have our intermediate directions. Do you see an N and an E? Well, that means since it's in between these two, this direction would be northeast. Our cardinal directions here are south and east, so in between would be southeast. Over here, our cardinal directions are south and west, so our intermediate directions would be southwest. And up here at the top, we have north and west, so if you put those together, in the middle of there would be northwest. Boys and girls, now we have abbreviations for our intermediate directions. We have NE stands for northeast, NW stands for northwest, SE stands for southeast, and SW stands for southwest. All right, boys and girls, thank you for listening to our lesson on cardinal and intermediate directions today and how to look at a compass rose. You will now go in and complete the assignment, and you will label your own compass rose. Go back into Schoology, into your social studies folder, and click on your assignment. Have a great afternoon.